be the Aldens. We head up the Homeowners Association here at Hidden Glade, and we'd like to extend a warm welcome.
And we're just thrilled to be here.
Let me introduce you to your new neighbor, Caleb Thoreau. He's a nice, handsome young man. Come on, we'll introduce you.
Hey, Benny, how are you?
Good, dear.
Percy?
Caleb, you're looking well.
I'd like to introduce you to two of our newest members of the association. This is Richard and Kathy Alden.
Caleb Thoreau.
Hey there.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
And who is this fine young gentleman?
This is Sam.
How are you, Sam? Welcome to the neighborhood.
Oh, that must be our new neighbor, Caleb. I invited him over.
Hello.
This is for you.
It's very thoughtful, thank you. Why don't you join us?
Great. This is great, Kathy.
Thank you. It's not much, but thank you.
So what do you do for work, Caleb?
Well, I'm a little embarrassed to admit it. I'm a trust fund baby. But my writing and my illustrating keeps me pretty busy. It's children's books, actually, Sam.
Sam loves to read. Don't you, Sam?
Yeah.
Maybe we could see them sometime.
That's the deal. How about you, Richard?
Restaurants. I help restaurateurs secure financing.
And do you work in town?
Yeah, I've got an office in town right now, doing the 9-to-5 thing. Job used to entail a lot more travel, but I haven't been able to do that so much lately. Kathy restores antiques?
I do.
My mother was an avid collector.
Really?
She can pull in more in a month sometimes than I do, just selling that stuff on the internet.
You know, I have this armoire that I've been meaning to restore. Maybe you could look at it for me.
Sure, I'll take a look.
Do you want to go see it right now?
Why not?
Great.
When I was a kid, my mother dragged me all across the world going after these things. This is the one.
Oh, it's wonderful. Well, it'll take a little time, but I think I can restore it.
Good. Then if you don't mind, I'll set you up to work right here in the garage. At your convenience. All you have to do is press in 4321 right here.
You a tennis player, Caleb?
Love it. You have to come over here and hit the racket sometime.
Sam, don't touch that.
You know what? I have a room I think you like a whole lot better. You want to check it out? Come on.
Wow.
Right to the video games. You know, Sam, I understand how hard it is to be taken away from your home. When I was your age, my mother moved us around all the time. I just want you to know that if you ever need anything, I'm here for you. You understand?
There you guys are.
You're showing off the game room.
Yeah, that's the best room in the house right here.
Those are amazing.
Do you know that those are my mother's favorite as well? French Chardonnay, Second Empire.
Pretty fancy stuff.
Hey, can I play this one next?
No, sweetie, we should go.
You can come back and play games anytime you like, Sam.
Got it. Children.
Hey, say thank you to Caleb.
Thank you to Caleb.
Caleb's got quite a setup over there. Seems nice.
Yeah, it's very sweet.
You gonna do his armoire?
I don't know. He wants me to work on it over there.
So what? I think you should. Be good for you.
Sam seems to really like him. He hasn't been like that with anyone in a while.
Definitely hasn't been that way with me for a while.
He's going through a tough time. He's confused. You have to be patient.
Patient.
Mm-hmm. Richard, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you too.
This program is sponsored by Lions for Lambs in theaters November.